Rolls-Royce Phantom, 2025. The 2025 Phantom embodies a regal presence on the road. Its iconic Pantheon grille, flanked by laser-cut, adaptive LED headlights, exudes authority. Subtle refinements to the front fascia, including a sleeker bumper design, enhance its contemporary appeal. The side profile is a study in proportion, with its long wheelbase accentuating its limousine-like grandeur. New 23-inch polished alloy wheels add a modern edge, while a range of bespoke paint options, including new two-tone combinations, ensure exclusivity. At the rear, the Phantom's signature vertical taillights are more angular, giving the sedan a slightly more dynamic character without compromising its elegance. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy ornament continues to adorn the hood, now engineered with retractable functionality for safety and customization. Interior, a sanctuary of luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's more akin to a private jet or a luxury yacht. Every inch of the interior is crafted with the finest materials available: soft-grain leather, open-pore wood veneers, and custom embroidery. Rolls-Royce's Starlight Headliner, now with customizable shooting star patterns, transforms the ceiling into a celestial spectacle. The dashboard features the Gallery, a customizable display that allows owners to showcase bespoke artwork or handcrafted designs, further personalizing their vehicle. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats with footrests, massaging functions, and individual climate controls, all operable via a sophisticated touchscreen interface integrated into the armrest. For audiophiles, the bespoke 18-speaker audio system delivers concert-quality sound, enhanced by active noise cancellation for the ultimate auditory experience. Performance. Power meets grace under the hood. The 2025 Phantom houses a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that delivers 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. The engine provides effortless acceleration, propelling the sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. A remarkable feat for a vehicle of its size and weight. Despite its performance capabilities, the Phantom prioritizes a smooth and serene driving experience. The updated Magic Carpet Ride 3.0 suspension system uses an advanced camera-based scanning system to predict and adjust to road imperfections in real time. Coupled with all-wheel steering, the Phantom ensures exceptional maneuverability, even in tight urban settings. Technology, a fusion of tradition and innovation. The Phantom blends its classic luxury ethos with state-of-the-art technology. The updated infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of connectivity options. Passengers can also enjoy seamless control of entertainment and comfort settings through the Rolls-Royce Whisper voice assistant. Safety is paramount, with the Phantom equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system. An enhanced semi-autonomous driving mode provides added convenience during long journeys. Customization, truly bespoke. One of Rolls-Royce's defining traits is its ability to cater to individual tastes. The 2025 Phantom offers an unmatched level of customization, from bespoke paint colors to handcrafted interiors featuring exotic materials and personalized motifs. The Marque's Coach Build program even allows for entirely unique vehicle designs, ensuring every Phantom is a one-of-a-kind creation. Pricing and verdict. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at approximately $475,000, with customization options easily pushing the price well beyond $600,000. While the cost is steep, it represents the pinnacle of luxury, exclusivity, and engineering excellence. For those seeking the ultimate in automotive luxury, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 2025 remains unmatched. Its ability to combine timeless elegance with modern innovation ensures it stays at the forefront of the super-luxury sedan segment. Pros: unparalleled craftsmanship and luxury, exceptionally smooth and quiet ride, endless customization options, Advanced technology and safety features. Cons. High price point, but justifiable for its class. Size may be challenging in tight urban areas. Final rating, 9.8 out of 10. The Rolls-Royce Phantom, 2025, is more than a car. It's a statement of prestige, a work of art, and the ultimate.
रोल्स रॉयस फैंटम 2025 मॉडल The pinnacle of super luxury sedan 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom continues to set the benchmark for the super luxury sedan segment. Combine timeless design, unparalleled craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and a serene driving experience. The Phantom remains the epitome of automotive opulence. Exterior design, elegance and every detail. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom, flanked by laser cut. Adaptive lead headlight. Exude authority. Subtle refinement to the front fascia. including a sleeker bumper design.